What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be doing the 4-cylinder mod. It's the Allen wrench. It's like a Allen wrench on the back of the 12mm Allen wrench on the back of the 4-cylinder sleeve. The best way to do it is to get in there, get it out, a hexagram, take it out. The point of this mod is for you could get more radiator fluid in there, since it's not, because a lot of radiator fluid don't get in there, so that's why it runs so hot. Has a lot of ringland failure, or the bearings and rod. A lot of it could fail. That's why a lot of people do this mod on the EG motors. But it's easy to do. It's $80 things to do, and I think it's worth it. Yes, it's like the AOS, oil water separator. But what's one more thing not to hurt? I'm gonna add some pictures right now of they have diagrams saying how hot each cylinder is. And this one, the fourth one, is the hottest because it's the least one that radiator fluid gets to. So that's why a lot of these people made these little hose kits that you screw it in there, get it out, and then it goes up to the radiator hose. And then right there, it goes. Here's the diagram I wanted to show y'all. You see how the right hand corner is 901? That's the hottest it get. On the bottom is after you install it.
When you let me back.